I came to 19 Harley Street for my operation. I have a back problem for a long time. There is a 3 spinal problems, and Dr. Mo Akmal team and himself did very good job on my body, and now I am walking like a young man. I don't have no issue. I'm really good. I'm very thankful to his team and himself, which is they done very good job. I can walk. I can show you I'm walking, no problem. I can walk like this, and I'm normal now. I'm taking care of myself, but it's very good. I think they have some magic machine, and which is God help me, and everything was good. Thanks to again Dr. Akmal and his team. Thank you very much for making me fit. Thank you. Bye.